Hello guys, good afternoon to everyone and happy Saturday. So now
all of you
yes,
and everyone.
And now today is weekend in Dubai. So for lunch, we're gonna cook coconut milk with the
shrimp we have here
and crabs. So
if you don't like crabs, stay away. I'm just scared, nervous.
okay, so we'll show you our ingredients. So please keep on watching.
Please.
So we have here coconut milk. In this coconut milk, I have mixed 1 tablespoon of this green curry paste. This is a Thailand brand, but this is just an optional. If you don't have, just leave it.
Now we have a tomato, you see?
We have a tomato.
Slice.
Yes.
And we have a slice onions. And a slice
Ginger.
And a slice
Of garlic.
And slice
Of green chili.
and green chili.
Yes.
Do not eat. If you like green chili, just let us know in the comments.
Yes. So now I'm gonna also put this bagoong. This is what I've got, bagoong. So I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon of this because I'm not sure if my family will likes the smell. So and I have here, I'm gonna mix some leaves. This is bokchoy or petchay. We call it petchay. So I'm gonna put some green leaves in that so it's more healthier. And I have here 300 grams of shrimp and just 500 grams of crabs. But there are two crabs. This
crabs.
big. I have so big crabs.
But be careful of crabs. If you like
It's
crabs,
just so big.
if you like green crabs and you'll be friends with us, let us in the comments.
Yes, and I'm gonna also put some fish sauce, just
sauce.
about 1 teaspoon of it. So now these all the ingredients. So let's start cooking. In a wok, we have to first make it hot, and I'm gonna pour my olive oil or any cooking oil you have available at home. That will also fine.
Fires. If you like it, I'm gonna make it by yourself. Don't make it by yourself. Ask a grown-up to help you if you like this.
Yes. So first we just have to make it hot first. And now our oil is heated up.
So we need to put the onion.
Yes.
Be careful let it not get. Don't let it spray in your eyes.
And let's just get this to become translucent.
Yeah. Now we have to put our green
Chillies
chilies and
garlic
and
ginger.
Be careful, guys. Get your parents for help.
And we'll cook it for just few minutes.
Few minutes.
And now this is okay. Now we have to throw our
Tomato.
And I just cook the tomato until it becomes soft. It's just about 1 to 2 minutes. So now it is okay. Time to put our shrimp. Bagoong or salted shrimp. So I'm just putting like half tablespoon. This will be enough. And just cook it for a while, like 1 minute. And now, after this, we can now put our coconut milk inside. And then Bella will stir it. Stir. Slowly, slowly.
So I finished
So-
mixing.
So now, they just get simmer this until it gets boiled. So we have to cover.
Simmer.
So we have
And we
to
need to
cover it. So now, it is boiling now. So this is perfect. So I'm gonna put now my crabs. I have to put my crab first because it will actually take a little time compared to the shrimp. So first I have to put my crabs. So I'm gonna put this one, fish sauce, just like 1 teaspoon of it. Would be enough. It will just give an additional taste. And just like half teaspoon of salt. And we can adjust later the salt if it's required. I don't want to put more salt now because I already added the shrimp paste and also the fish sauce. Sorry guys, my voice is low today because I'm having a problem in my nose. I have sinuses today and it's just like it's blocking my nose. Anyway, let's just cover this like for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now let's check our crabs. And this is perfect now. Now we can put our shrimp. And we just have to cook our shrimp. We don't have to overcook our shrimp, otherwise it becoming rubberized. At the same time, we can also put our vegetables. This is leafy vegetable. Just put it on the top. So it will be okay. Just cover it again and cook until it gets cooked. So now, let's check again. I'm not really feeling well, guys. My nose is blocked. So that's why my voice is just changing. See, it's looking so nice. So now let's taste. Very nice. So I don't require more salt. That is perfect for us. So now this is okay. This is cooked. Now it's done. Our coconut milk with crabs and shrimp. So this is how I cook my seafood with coconut milk. So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you all, guys. And sorry for today, my nose is blocked and I'm having sinuses, so I'm not feeling actually well. So anyway, I'll see you to my next one. Bye and thank you for watching.